Hello everyone, Carlos Flores, back on basics. So, let's talk about the human paradox. I'm gonna try to summarize it in these minutes, but it's more intricate than one how I'm gonna talk about. So the human paradox means that we as human beings, right, because we have a very advanced brain, more advanced than most of the mammals and other animals and creatures around us. So it means that we go back and forth between good and evil, positive and negative, right? Sleep and not sleep, active and inactive. So that's the human paradox in a nutshell, because what it says is that that's the reason why we're very unique individuals, because we drive towards either one at different times. So for example, right? Sometimes we want to be by ourselves. So it's at one extreme. We're individualistic. But then other times we want to be with others. And so we become social, right? So we become individualistic, then we become social. How does that work, right? So that's what the human paradox is about. We go from one end to the other, the positive, the negative, right? And so another example is this, right? Sometimes we're very rational. We look for the evidence for us to talk about a topic, or the evidence of doing something, so that way you can move forward or you can move ahead. The other time, we are going to the other extreme and we go towards our emotions and we deal with things very emotional. Which one is better? Well, it depends. And that's where the human paradox is, because it depends. Because sometimes we do need to be rational and make decisions based on the evidence that's surrounding us. Remember, I told you that. But the other times, you have to bring in the emotion, because the emotion is going to drive you through any roadblocks, and it may give you a different idea of how you're going to handle what you want to handle. And so, again, right? It goes from one side to the other. Neither one of them is it's bad to focus on. I'm just saying they're at two extremes to do that. And so the human paradox means that we're always trying to figure out which is the best way to get things done, which is the best way that we can support people around us. And so the more you practice, the more you learn about your extremes, the better you'll be mind, body, emotional balance.